August 20th, 2020. Chem trailer. Was right here, man. They're just disappearing. Son of a gun. What the heck was that thing? What the? That was weird. What was that? Because it gone, I think. What? I'm telling you. These are definite 100% chemtrails today, like a little stoppage. I still want to know what that was. Like, oh, is it a bug? A helicopter? Look at them all in there. I don't know, things are getting thick. Like I said, Thursday, August 20th, probably about 10 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and here's a look-see.